You may not be able to see it yet. That is a 1989 Toyota Supra. Well, right now, it's been parked for, I don't know, 15, 20 years. We're going to try to fish it out of these weeds and get it over to the property this weekend, so I can put together a list of what's left that it needs, or if I can even salvage it. Wish me luck. Here we go. Dad's coming with the tractor and some chainsaw so we can get this thing out of here. First things first, I'll make a path there to get to the door, and then we'll clear a path behind it so we can tow it out. Alright, got an aftermarket, we'll say new eBay turbo. It's been ceramic coated, but you can see it's not looking so great now. Aftermarket turbo manifold, powder coated the valve covers, forward facing intake manifold. Yeah, everything that looked nice doesn't look so nice now.